Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12R, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now somewhere here we should have our power saving mode. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. For me, that is where the toggle is located, as you can see right here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will automatically turn on your power saving mode, and outside of it being enabled, there's almost no visual indication that anything has changed. There is one difference right here: the filling of the battery color changes, and additionally the screen refresh rate will be dropped down to 60 from the 120 that it's set by default. Now there's probably a couple additional things happening in the background, saying probably because I have no way of knowing, which if you ever encounter that your notifications are being delayed in delivery or just not being delivered to you at all when you're not using the device, it's most likely power saving mode at fault. Anyway, once you're done with this mode, you can simply turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. This will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.